What's going on YouTube? Hopefully you guys are having a great day. So the original DJI Osmo Pocket 1 or Gen 1. I went out with this a couple of weeks ago and I'm just now doing this video, getting around to it. And I just wanted to share some B-roll with you guys, showing you what it's like to use this camera in 2026. Now, a lot of these shots are mainly from the car. Didn't really have an opportunity to get out and walk around with it because I really don't like the form factor of this camera as much as I like the form factor of the Nano or even using the Action 5 Pro. But I will say in 2026, this camera still holds up if you're not trying to do comparison. Now, if you're trying to compare this to the Pocket 3 or now the Pocket 4, yeah, this camera falls apart, color science, everything. It's just not, because it's an 8-year-old camera. So you should not expect it to look similar to those or to be able to focus. Because especially if you're paying attention to the B-rolls that I'm putting out and you're looking at the sky, you will see in a lot of cases with this being in auto settings, sky's blown out. It takes a couple seconds for it to recover. Those are things that you can fix in camera by changing some of the settings. And then you could also cut those things out if you just rather leave it in auto and not deal with color grading or doing anything like that, right? So I just wanted to point those things out. Now, something else I want to point out real quick is about the channel itself. Normally I try to do unboxings and new gear and talk about the new gear and using the new gear. Moving forward, and we're on, what is this, April 28th, 2026. I'm not buying all these cameras, bro, because it seems like Insta and DJI are going at each other with camera releases, microphone releases, and GoPro sprinkles in here and there, and Sony and Canon and everybody put these cameras out. I'm just going to use the cameras I have, show you guys some of the things that I do weekly, and just put together a video of things that I do using the cameras that I have and let you know about the cameras that I have. But I am not gonna go broke because I don't have a sponsorship. They're not giving me anything. This is just fun for me. And I'm just gonna talk about the stuff that I have and how I use it. And hopefully that's something you guys can enjoy, because I am done trying to keep up with every camera release or this camera, that camera that's come out. No, the only camera I plan on getting in the future is a 360 camera. Whether it's Insta360, X4 or X5, or the DJI. I would much rather have the DJI because I have mainly the DJI ecosystem. But when I get ready to buy, it depends on the price of which one it is. Because I have enough Insta cameras, I can switch all this out and go straight Insta if I need to. But that is the only camera I want to get, is an updated 360 camera. Other than that, I am cool with every other camera that I have. So just look forward to seeing guys probably starting next week when I'm out and about, taking a camera, maybe 2 cameras with me with my day bag, microphone, this camera as well, which is the Sony ZV-1, and just do a video in the area that I'm in, upload it to YouTube, and then we'll go from there. I'm just creating memories, guys. I'm not trying to be YouTube famous, get rich off this. I'm retired, been retired for almost 17 years. I'm just having fun. All right, guys. So with that being said, that's it. I'm out. Peace. Enjoy the rest of your day.